mixed category. Third place goes to Rojansi Mirafuentes of the 2nd Congressional District Orange Warriors. Second place, Raymar T. Galvez of the 3rd Congressional District Red Dragons. And the first place, Cedric John Magdao of the Offside, the Purple Scrapers. Taekwondo Ponce team category. Third place goes to the 2nd Congressional District Orange, to the 4th Congressional District Blue Sharks, Kurt Alexis Escalayan.
Kasalukuyan pong naglalaro sa softball game ang 3rd District, 5th District, 3rd and 5th District sa championship game ng softball games. Ngayon, nandito po sila sa likod natin. Kasalukuyan po silang naglalaro para sa finals, sa championship.
Goes to the 4th Congressional District Blue Shorts, Partinias Royce Julian S. And from the Orange Warriors, Masuksong Chris Howard of the Orange Warriors 2nd Congressional District. And in second place, from the Red Dragons 3rd Congressional District, Antero John Cyrus S. Francis John C. Pipino of the 2nd Congressional District Orange Warriors. And ladies and gentlemen, the first place for Kiruki.
Silver medal goes to the 3rd District Red Dragon, Ayesha Gabriel S. Estanza. And the gold medal goes to Gabe Alexi B. Sanchez Tomas of Offside Purple Scrappers. For mixed category, bronze medal goes to Khalid Kim and Baal of 2nd Congressional District Orange Warriors. Silver medal goes to the 1st Congressional District Daisy C. Magbanwa. 2nd Congressional District Coach Rochelle A. Rosales. 3rd Congressional District Coach Irma P. Medina. 4th Congressional District Coach Belen M. Caudilia. 5th Congressional District Coach Maria Angelica C. Orot. And the onside coach, B. Bayrante. Summer results for Taekwondo Kiruki Elementary Girls. Group category. Bronze medal goes to Navales ACA of 2nd Congressional District Orange Warriors. Another bronze medal goes to Blue Sharks. Gold medal goes to Jolene Ranti of the 3rd Congressional District Red Dragons. 3L of Offside Purple Scrappers. The gold medal goes to Sherbo Laika S of 3rd Congressional District Red Dragons. prepared by Tournament Secretary.
Casco Sofia. Sarah Valenzuela of District 5. Gold. Roy. Ron. Roy Parma of District 3. Red Dragon. Silver.
Angela, pasiguro Angela ha.
Gold. Archer Buenafe of Venus Sports Academy.
Angela,
Red Spot.
2 out.
For 70 meters, secondary goals. Bronze, Parmaroy of District 3, Red Dragon. Silver, Archer Buenafe of Camarines Sports Academy, Red Spartans. And gold goes to Cyrus.
Follow!
Sports Academy.
Diyan lang! Diyan lang!
Bronze,
Stay!
Red Dragon.
Balik na Jilan! Jilan, balik na Jilan! Hey, babaki! Hey! Any ball, go!
Versus Second Congressional District. Winner.
Hey, hey, hey!
Sir, sa nangyaring kawat sir, pwede may interview sir. Nag-champion po ang Rinconada sa softball game.
Yes sir.
Ano po ang namamatayan ng mga taga Rinconada na nanggana?
Masaya yung mga bata, lalong-lalo na pinaghirapan nila to.
Very good. Isa na namang tawag doon, isa na namang achievement ng Rinconada, na buong Rinconada kasi nakatayo rito ang 5th district ng Camarines Sur. Magpapasalamat tayo dahil nanalo ang
Congressional District versus
5th district ng Camarines Sur sa softball game second category. Sige po, salamat sir. Salamat.
Salamat mga nagsuporta sa
Red
ibang
Dragon.
bayan, nandito nagsusuporta sa
Salamat.
Rinconada.
Sir, anong pangalan ni sir ng maestro natin, ang teacher?
Fourth
Hindi
District
po ako teacher sir.
Trainer.
Supporter ng anak.
Supporter. Sige. Malaking supporter si sir sa Pagaring Kunada.
Ito si Sir Kim.
Sir Kim, anong masasabi nyo sa kapanalunan ng ating softball game ng 5th district ng Rinconada?
Effort ng mga bata.
Very good.
Galing at tibay.
Sir, anong pangalan mo sir? Anong pangalan mo sir?
Team Celerio.
Si Sir Tim Cilirio, napakagaling na trainer ng ating softball game at siya ang nag-manage sa ating palaro dito sa nangyaring sports ng Camarines Sur. Palaro ng Camarines Sur. Napakagaling kasi champion ang ating 5th district sa larangan ng softball game. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
winner from First Congressional District, Green Dragon. Next, number 25, Fourth Congressional District versus First Congressional.
Sila po ang mga players ng second category, ng second level, ng high school level para sa softball game. Mga taga Rinconada, Camarines Sur.
Winner, Diana A. Napol.